What is going on, everybody? It's Nomad Brad. Today is Wednesday, September 24th, 2025. Like I said in my last video, I like to show cooking things, like because I previously was carnivore. Now I'm whole food, plant-based. I like to keep things very simple, very easy, like elementary level easy, to the point where I'm in my truck right now. I can cook this in the truck. You can cook it in your van, in your RV, anywhere. You don't, it's nothing extravagant. And this one I think is probably the easiest of them all. If I want to talk about elementary level cooking, this is probably preschool cooking. It doesn't get easier than this. So, and whenever you see it, you're probably like, well, this is stupid. This isn't really cooking. But a lot of people don't realize it. A lot of people don't realize that you can put these things together and it's an actual meal. It tastes good. There are a few things that you may or may not want to watch out for. But yeah, let's take a look at it and get right into it. Rice and beans. So there's a reason why there's some other things on here. Let me kind of first get into this. This is I've never had this brand before, but it's actually really good. Cuners Southwest black beans, cumin and chili spices. I've got another flavor and it's actually good too. It's kind of like a jalapeno flavor. And then there's obviously the Uncle Ben's or Ben's Original Ready Rice. I love jasmine rice. I know I should probably go more brown rice or quinoa, but that's what I've got and that's what I'm going to use today. And then to put on top of it, you can do, I usually love doing rotel, but also I recently picked up some whole kernel corn, some corn, and put it on top. And if you're feeling extra super hungry or whatever, I can eat either olives, green beans, or beets on the side. Normally I don't, because this is quite a lot. 8 ounces of rice and 15 ounces of beans. It's like 1.5 pounds right there, and then add on the corn or the rotel. That's a pretty hefty meal. So let's start putting it together. It's super easy. The only thing you're gonna need is good old can opener. That's the only utensil you're gonna need. And the jasmine rice, normally you heat it up for 90 seconds. But I don't have a microwave in my truck, and I don't feel like walking to the truck stop. But every truck stop has a microwave. A lot of rest areas even have microwaves and things like that. So I'm just gonna do this one-handed. It doesn't get any easier than that, really. Rice. I like to keep the juice on it. Just makes it a little more soupy. This is a big bowl. Like, this will probably fill up anybody. I don't care who you are. And corn. And then after that, we're gonna stir it up and see what it looks like. There you go. There's no way this meal was more than $5. And I'm a big eater. I have a big appetite. This is definitely gonna fill me up for the rest of the night. And if you don't eat a lot, you could probably split it into 2 meals. But the fact is, I'm on the road. I'm in Denver, Colorado right now, and I have this to eat in my truck. I didn't have to leave my truck. I can stock up on the rice, the beans. I can stock up on corn and rotel, and it keeps forever. More, not forever, but you know what I mean. I don't have to go in and eat the truck stop food. I don't have to eat the gas station food. I can just have beans and rice and corn, or beans and rice rotel, and yeah, I'm gonna be full and I don't have to spend a ton of money. So that's one part of the plant-based diet that I'm really liking, is the money aspect of it. It's super cheap if you do it right and don't eat like a bunch of the processed stuff. I guess that stuff is a lot more expensive, which I'm sure eventually I might try some. But I was doing the carnivore diet for several years, eating 90 to 95% meat only, and having these kind of options it's like a whole different ball game. It's like a whole new world, and so many different flavors and combos that you can do. So it can be done. So if you like the video, give it a thumbs up. If you didn't, don't know why you're still watching. But if you are on the carnivore diet, or you are thinking about it and want to see me crash and burn, subscribe. If you are a whole food plant-based person and want to see if this is better than the carnivore diet, subscribe. If you know somebody who's thinking about it, or a truck driver who struggles with making meals and things like that, send them this video. I'm going to do a bunch of these that are just easy to make in the truck. This one, I'll admit, is not really a recipe or cooking or anything like that, but hey, it's food. It's good. It's going to be good, and it's going to fill me up. So talk to you later. Have a good one.